Hi guys, welcome to the fifth episode of Off-Road Basics, and today we are going to talk about sand driving. So guys, sand driving is a very tricky obstacle and quite a lot of seasoned off-roaders find it difficult to drive on sand. Now आपने camel देखा होगा, which is generally called as the ship of the desert. Now camels' feet are very wider in terms of having a surface area. So that helps the camel have a better traction and not to sink its leg in the sand. Okay, the same way in a vehicle, in a 4x4 vehicle, in order to have a better traction, the first thing that you need to do is reduce tire pressure. A general tire pressure in a conventional vehicle will be somewhere around 32 to 35, 36 psi. So straight away go ahead and reduce it to around 18 to 20 psi. But before you do that, make sure you have a portable air compressor in your vehicle so that when you are off the sand obstacle and onto a tarmac obstacle, you can again top up your air. Okay. Now the key to sand driving is momentum, not to lose the speed. Okay. Too much of power and you will dig in. Going too slow, you will dig in. Braking very hard, you will dig into the sand. So those are the things that you have to keep in mind. The best gearing would be switching to low range and driving in second gear. Even from standstill, if you want to move the vehicle, better to first switch it to a second gear, low range, and then start moving. Because generally, if you are taking the first gear in a low range, it gets too much of torque and it starts to dig in. Okay. Now, a couple of things that you need to take care while driving on sand is try not to go alone. Okay, have somebody with you. Okay, a vehicle in front of you, because that will help you in driving onto the tracks. Follow the vehicle in front of you and drive exactly on the same track which they are driving. Okay. Now that will allow you to have a better grip on the track of the sand. Okay. Now if you find a dune and you want to climb that dune, so first see the vehicle in front of you and what it does. Once it has climbed the dune, just check whether it has taken a right turn or a left turn or it has gone suddenly down, because dunes are unpredictable. So stop at the base of the dune and first just have a look at the vehicle in front of you, what it is doing. Okay. Similarly, if you're not sure, get down from the vehicle, go at the top of the dune and check what it is. Is it a steep decline or is it a flat surface? Okay. Now always take the dune in a straight line. Do not go diagonal on it, either from the right or either from the left. Do not go diagonal. Always hit it straight. Second gear, build a lot of speed and then take it up. Okay. Now, sometimes it might happen that while you're taking onto the dune, the car is going slightly right or slightly left. In that case, your car does not want to climb and it will start dig. At that point, do not fight the car. Let it go, reverse, and again reattempt. Also, if you happen to go, let's say if you happen to climb a dune and suddenly find yourself tilting, so go at the angle of the tilt rather than going against it, because if your center of gravity shifts, there is a chance that the vehicle will topple. Okay. So if you have a dune and you are in a tilt, go along with the flow and take the line of the tilt and take a left turn, and always go with the gravity. Do not go against it like this, because that might change the center of gravity and you might just tip over. Okay. Another thing in a sand driving is to maintain a particular speed. Do not suddenly brake. What happens is, if you suddenly brake, the vehicle just directly digs in, and if you suddenly accelerate, the rear wheels or all the four wheels dig in. Once you have dug in, it is very difficult to do an off-road recovery in a sand obstacle. You would need a lot of other off-road gears to get you out of there, like shovels or maybe an air jack or something like that to come out of it. So these are the do's and don'ts. Just to summarize the whole context is to lower your tire pressure, maintain momentum, do not brake hard, do not accelerate fast, and maintain a precise speed across. All right, so I hope you have learned from this video, and like and share, and see you in the next episode. Thank you very much.